Alright guys, you want to be sure to watch this video all the way through because I'll show you how to set up everything. This is David. Appreciate you being a part of my channel. See you in the next clip. What's going on guys? David here with you with DC Appliance Repair, and today I am bringing you the new website that I have just launched. Down here below you can see the DC Appliance Repair Tech Support Group. If you are wanting to join the group, here is the steps that you need to take. Now you can do this also on your computer, laptop, or your straight talk phone or iPhone, cell phone shall I say. But first what you want to do is you want to click here, and this is going to take you to a link where you can download the Voxer app. And as soon as this slow computer gets to the point, we can move on. And what you'll do is you can download Voxer. Then once you download Voxer, click back on this tab and hit the subscribe button. And once you hit the subscribe button and you pay for the sign up for the monthly plan, what will happen is it will take you to a link in order for you to join the group, and you should be able to automatically join it because I'll have it open. Once I get so many people in, I'll close it. Okay, so but that's how you're going to do that. And man, this computer is so slow right now. But let me go back while this slowly loads up. Oh. So right here is where you can join my email list. If you're not already a part of that, the email list will give you the opportunity to anything that I release, you'll get it first before YouTube, for anything like that of that nature. So this when you click on the thing here, it's going to allow you to sign up for Voxer. Once you sign up for Voxer, you'll come back here and you'll hit the subscribe button and go forth and set that up. That's how you do that. What's going on guys? David here with you, bringing you another video, and today I'm introducing to you the app, the chat group, where all technicians is going to come together, and it's going to be looked after by me. So you have a problem with Samsung, LG, GE, Frigidaire, Whirlpool, this is a chat group that's going to be full of everybody from beginners to experienced technicians. I will not put, there's strict rules. I will not put up with making fun of anything. This is straight business. You have an issue with an appliance, like for instance, let me give you an example right here. Hey, what's up guys? I was just seeing if y'all had that parts list that I sent out to y'all yesterday. Watch this, they finna respond.
You sent it out in the email? You sent it out in the email?
Right, I sent it out on email and I sent it out on here. Did y'all get that dryer taken care of?
David, I didn't see it, bro. You may want to send it to me. That's good.
See, this way here we can talk with each other. I will be on there to answer questions. Other technicians will be on there to answer questions. It's a safe way for you that when you're out on a job and you get stumped, you can go on this chat, hit the button, make the issue known, and me and other guys can help with the issue. Most important thing is this is a way that we can communicate. I think this is just a start to a beginning of new things that I'm getting ready to launch. So be sure to be a part of that. It's going to be $29.99 a month. Believe me, the information that you can get off this is well worth that. So go ahead and take advantage of it while we still have spots open. This is David with DC Appliance Repair, and I'll see you in the next video.